Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 9, that is simple machines, and the topic which we are going to discuss is we will first of all talk about an activity in which we will see how the distance between fulcrum and load helps to move the load easily, or how it makes it difficult. And the second point which we will discuss today, that is inclined plane. So let us start. For the activity we need to arrange few things. For that we need to take first of all a pencil box and keep it vertically as it is shown, like this. You can take any box which is present at your home. Then we will take one ruler. If it would be wooden, then it would be helpful. Now, then third, we are going to take two books, one heavy one and another one will be the lighter one. So we will be taking two books, and then we are going to arrange them in this position where this box will act as a fulcrum, the scale will work as a lever, and the lighter book area that will be working as effort, and the heavier one that will be working as the load. Make sure students that we will keep the distance between the book where there is more book and the box should be less in compare to the other side where we are taking the lighter book, and the distance between them should be less. So this is how we are going to arrange our things, the box, the scale and the pencil box and the books. Here you see children, what we are going to do is this our box will work as a fulcrum, this is as a lever, and here what we are going to do is here we are going to put the force in which what will happen, this load will be automatically pulled up in this position. So for that I will show how it is going to work, and it will be something like this where the force which is applied on the lighter book, it will be pulled down, and where there is load it will be pulled up, and this box where it will be acting as a fulcrum. So this is how it will be looking. Make sure that it should not be balanced. The weight between both the books should vary. The books on the long end would be able to lift the thick book kept on the short end, as you can see in this video. If this doesn't happen, adjust the position of the pencil box that acts as a fulcrum so that it is closer to the side on which the heavy book is placed. So my dear children, this whole activity is a very good example in which you can find out how a lever is working. Now we will talk about inclined plane. What is inclined plane? We have already discussed about 6 types of basic simple machines in which we have talked about lever. And now we are going to talk about the second example, that is inclined plane. Now how does an inclined plane looks? These are few examples: ramp, road on a hill, fly. You would be very familiar to all these things. देखे होंगे, जानते होंगे. An inclined plane is a sloping surface in which one end is higher than the other one. Okay? And inclined plane reduces the force you have to use to lift something, but the distance has to be covered is increased. Now here you see, here what is happening? A man needs to go from here to here. Then what is happening? Maybe the force which is applied, that is less, but somehow it is increasing the distance. Can you see? So this is how an inclined plane works. ramp and hospital, roads. These are very common examples which we find everywhere. Now, how does it increases the distance? That you can see. When we roll a ball from higher position to the lower position, then of course the less force will be needed, but the distance, if you drop it directly from here to here, है ना, तो क्या होगा? Or if you want to increase the speed, or if you want to just send it more far, then what will happen? Less force will increase, लेकिन जिसका distance है वो क्या हो जाएगा? ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा in compare to other situations. And for that, there is a very good example known as stipper. In this, what is happening? This is the normal inclined plane in which a boy is pushing a block. But in stip, what is happening? The distance which is covered, that is less. जो distance यहाँ से यहाँ करना था, वो अभी distance यहाँ से यहाँ हो गया. But what is happening? The force which is applied, that is increased, but the distance जो था वो अब क्या हो गया? कम हो गया. So this is the example of a steep slope and a gentle slope, or you can say normal slope or gradual slope, जो हम लोग generally देखते हैं. तो हम लोग क्या देखते हैं उसमें? More force but less distance, in which in stipper, but in gradual there is a less force but the distance is increased. So these are two examples or two conditions in which we can say how more force but less distance we cover, but in other situation less force but more distance we cover. So in gradual inclined plane, what happened? Lesser force will be needed to push the load up, but the distance covered will be more. But in the stipper and inclined plane, more force would be needed to apply to push the load, as you can see figure number 1, but the distance covered will be less. So my dear children, these are few examples of inclined plane. I hope the concept of inclined plane would be clear to you all. Thank you, my dear children.